So for today's lesson, we are doing two-step transformations. And our problem that we're working with today is we are going to translate triangle ABC and then rotate it 90 degrees. Alright, so let's start off with the first part. The first part we need to do is to translate it. So that means I'm going to move every point to the right 2 and then up 3. So we'll start off with A. So I'm going to move A right 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and then I'm going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Call this A prime. Now I'm going to move C. I'm going to move C 1, 2, up 3. That's C prime. And then B 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's B prime. So that is my new triangle. But now I have to take it one more step further and I have to rotate it 90 degrees. Now remember, whenever I am rotating 90, it's always going to be counterclockwise unless they tell me. So with that, I have a rule for rotating at 90 degrees, and that's negative y, x. So what that negative y means, remember, is that you are going to just change the sign. So if it's a negative, it becomes a positive. If it's a positive, it becomes a negative. So let's write all of our points here. We have A prime, which is 2 and 5. B prime is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and C prime is 1, 2, 3, and 5. Okay. So we can just literally change it. So I like to do is I like to write my points first. It makes it a little bit easier. So I'll write them over here. A double prime. My x stays the same and becomes my y, so it's a positive 2 as my y. My 5 becomes a negative. B double prime. My x stays the same, which is 4. My y becomes a negative 3, or my x becomes a negative 3. And C double prime. My x is a 3 and it becomes my y, so that stays the same. And my y turns from a positive 5 to a negative 5 and becomes my x. So now I'll go ahead and plot these points. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. This is A double prime. And I got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. B double prime. And I have 5, and I'm going to go up 3. C double prime. Alright, and now we have successfully done a two-step transformation. So go ahead and try your next one.